I'm still thankful because I didn't lose the fight. It's a draw, but
Hindi mo kasi
that's fine. But most of the fans they're expecting that
Mm.
they thought that I won the fight. And
Ay, siyempre, may...
although at age of 46,
may...
the passion is still there. I'm still giving a good fight to the people, to the fans.
Batter yan.
That's why I'm so thankful to God. How many decades I'm still fighting, giving inspiration to the boxing world. The coach of fight was one of the best for you against him. What did you feel like he was doing well against you? I'll say it again. In terms of your arsenal of punches that you were throwing, what did you feel like was what was working best?
Ano ako, nagbasa ako, hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi mo ano eh, mga rep, may nakita rin, walang paano lang ano.
I think although
Ito siguro mga...
I'm not satisfied with combination tonight. I should throw more passes and more aggressive to knock him out.
That's great, yung ano.
Manny, you did a lot of things tonight, right here. You did a lot of things tonight, Manny, where you really kind of banked on your experience to outsmart him and outwork him. I mean, stealing the rounds at the end of the round like you did. Did you feel like that had won you the fight by
Mas
doing
mahal
those
yung
things
ano,
and really flexing
mga
your
kaplansya ka. Yan, grabe.
Yes,
1,000 ulit natin yan.
Even though he's taller than me, but I able to use my techniques and during the fight, the side by side and more combination like that. I did, I did couple things that I slowed down the last 2 rounds, but it doesn't mean that I lose the fight.
Manny, right over here. Marcus Hayes of Fight Hub TV. Congratulations on an outstanding performance. Manny, with the way that you performed tonight, do you feel like this is enough to coax Floyd Mayweather out, and maybe you guys get a rematch right here in this same building? Do you feel like that this version of you beats the version of Floyd Mayweather that exists today?
It's hard to talk about the fighter who retired already. If he comes out and goes find the contract and we'll fight. I mean, let's fight again if you want. I have no problem with that. I'm active now. I don't pick my opponent. I fight before in my weight division.
So again, Monday, best in the boxing job here. Congratulations, Manny. You've been out of the ring for 4 years, but you are no stranger to big crowds. What did it feel
Screen
like to
recorded ba?
be in the house
Video
of
po,
Manny
para bukas.
here at MGM with everyone chanting your name once
Sino
again?
video?
Sir Tulfo, humihingi po ako ng tulong. Sana makatwiran lang ho yung mga rep.
Eh, sabi ko sa'yo,
Punches here are good. Punches right here are fucking good. Okay, keep coming. Okay, Baymax man doing good from the spot. Touch him up. Keep back.
yan lang, sikat na, okay na.
Where world titles are somewhat easy to come by. Mark Magsayo did not have an easy path to this. After defeat Gary Dawson Jr., who will also be fighting on tonight. Tonight's card, but here he is trying to fight his way back into world title contention. thinks this is a second chapter in his career, saying that his losses at featherweight were largely due to the dehydration from his weight cut. He expects to be able to this evening and moving forward in this division.
Magkano si, Ricky,
Known by his speed, pressure,
alam ko na nawawala.
wear down the fighter from Mexico.
Mexico.
And Marcus is a strong fighter. He will stand toe to toe with you. I mean, we've seen it right now. Masayo landing some good combinations, but again, Mata's still there. Nice wedge from Masayo again, partially blocked by Mata. But you can see that Masayo is just centimeters away from landing the big shot here. But Masayo has always believed in his power. He's athletic. To see him coming in now at this weight class with that full gas tank, you see that confidence continue to build. After we look at it, 4 pounds, okay, but as a fighter, what type of difference is it?
No, it's a big difference. Listen, I went up from 118 to 122 to 26. It slows you down a bit, you know. So you got to prepare yourself. It's not just eating a weight class from one week to another. You got to prepare for it.
Paborito niya ba ng pala niya naman? Boxing. Ayan ako dyan, may dito ko dyan.
And we are going to see a replay of Matsayo's effective jab and counter punching. Beautiful jab there. Right where Mata was going in.
Nung mapunta kami ng Lapsal, yung pisa niya yung binabili na generator, 5-4 lang daw. Ay yun na lang ko, wala na rin, napulong na lang daw yun, wala na. Parang tumo, ano. Pero nagkano ko sa ano, 4,000 watts. Ibig sabihin, 4,000 watts, 40 days. Parang ano lang, ano pa dyan? Gabi lang yung paggabi. Bago may TV. Kaya lang wala na eh. Diba? Tumahok. Parang tubok. Oo, diba? Wala, TV daw. Nung gabi, kontak niya. Sinabukas na tigilan ko hanggang umaga. Hanggang alas 12 lang na. Nung isteriner niya, kapa ko pa yung ano, yung gasolina. Oo, kapa ko pa. Minsan nagkakita na nagkakalmas ako. Merong nag-4,000. 6,000. May Honda rin. Kaya lang sa picture kasi, kala mo malaki. Pero pag nakakukul maliit, baka yung gano'n lang. Kasi wala na ako sa
Iniisip ko mag-English ako para lang. Solar talaga.
hindi solar na. Kailan kasi yan solar. Eh kung ba yun, may iwanan mo gano'n.
Hindi, siguro, baka sa mga panahon na ano,
Oo, marami na tayo.
papakasyon ka, doon ka sa
Oo.
Alam ko kung may bahay ka na doon,
Oo.
walang problema eh. Pauwi ka na lang, di ba? Nauwi eh, baka yun na yung magiging setup natin eh.
Oo.
Okay na yung solar generator na yung 18,000.
Ito ang buti, ano, buti.
Ang Blue 80 na yan, kwan eh. 350 lang yan eh.
Watts.
Watt hour. Ayun, 2,000 yun.
Oo.
Malaki yun. Ito, yung kaya niya ito. Ito yung TV, kaya niya. Kaya yan, nasa mga electric fan.
Di ba sinubukan mga grinder, banda?
Anda.
Oo, talaga. Kaya lang, hindi mo dapat
Kaya
ipagsubay.
lang, hindi yan tatagal kung pwede mong gamitin ito sa sa solar panel ko na naka-charge. O pwede. Kumbaga naka-charge palagi. Kaya hindi.
Magkano ko, ilang watts ang solar?
Ayun ang plano kong kunin yung...
Hindi yung ngayon, yung naka, ano yan.
Ay, dito?
Oh.
Ano lang yung battery lang na maliit. Ganun lang kalaki. Pati
Pero nakano sa solar?
Oo. Tuloy-tuloy ang charge.
Sa battery. Pero may controller pa rin yan.
Walang kusong yan.
Hindi, controller, wala na.
Okay, pero...
Basic, parang basic lang. Na ilaw, ano lang.
Yan. Basta 24 oras siya, pwede mo patayin. Yung battery niya, tuloy-tuloy lang ang charge. Parang nagpaandar ka lang sa sakyan.
Mayroon ka. Hindi magbaba.